got the sensory toolbox from Rooted Heart Ministries. It's an organization that sends sensory toolboxes out for kids waiting different therapy services. These are tools for a new autism diagnosis. I have to look at this. They have an autism parent planner. I think I want to get this. I definitely want to do this. So, you can choose the type of stuff you get. I chose dinosaurs because he has an interest in dinosaurs. They give you Play-Doh. What is this? Play foam. I'm going to see how he feels about this. They give you coloring book. They give you this book. And they give you this. So this stuff is free. You just have to pay shipping. So they give you some crayons. So this is so cool. I'm gonna look over this. Because this is my favorite Bible verse. It's Jeremiah 29:11. If that's not a sound, I don't know what is. We're coming up on a year when I first got I started going through the process of getting my son diagnosed. In November, he got his diagnosis. So we're still new to this. So on this channel, I'm showing y'all resources that I find along the way that help new parents with diagnosis and figuring out how to go through. So I'm going to leave their Instagram, Facebook below. They do have a way for you to pay it forward. So I'm going to try and insert it. So if you feel it in your heart to do so, you can. I received this box for free. So I am going to sow a seed for somebody else to be able to receive it as well.